What is up guys, to another site. In this video I'm going to show you how you can embed your fonts in Adobe Acrobat Pro. So first you need to choose a PDF that you want to embed the font in, and then on the right side at the top you will see three dots. Click on this and then click on print this file. After clicking on print this file, here you will see the printing options. So just simply choose the Adobe PDF as an option and then click on more settings. After clicking on more settings, click on print using system dialog box, and then here you will open the printer settings. From here click on more settings again, and after that here you can see the settings. Click on advanced, and after clicking on advanced, here you will see the advanced settings, and after that in the more settings here you will see Adobe PDF settings. Click on that, and then here in the default settings make sure that you keep it as high quality print, and after that click on this edit button, and after clicking on this edit button here you will open some more settings. From here click on fonts. After clicking on fonts, you need to make sure that the embed all fonts checkbox is checked, and that's all you want to do. That was all for this video everyone. Thank you for watching.